how to download Fall Guys on Android or iPhone. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the Fall Guys game on your mobile device. Yes, you heard it right. PC game Fall Guys is now available on mobile, thanks to Epic Games. Without further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, you will need to have the Epic Games app installed on your device. For that, open Chrome on your device, tap on the search bar, now type in epic.download as shown on the screen and search for it. You will then land on the official installation page from Epic Games. Since I am using an Android device, I am getting a button that says Install on Android. If you are using an iPhone, you might see a button that says Install on iOS. Please note that the Epic Games app is available worldwide on Android, but on iPhone, it's currently available only in the European Union. So make sure you are in a European nation to download the Epic Games app on iPhone. Let's download Epic Games, tap the Install on Android button, a new page will open up and a warning message will pop up saying the file might be harmful. But don't worry, it is completely safe since we are downloading it from the official site. Tap download anyway. As you can see, the download has started and completed within seconds since the file size is small. Tap open, a confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure about downloading the application. Tap install. The Epic Games app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Once downloaded, you will see the Epic Games app on your home screen. Open the Epic Games app. Surprisingly, you don't need to log in while accessing the app. As you can see, Fall Guys is available just below Fortnite. Tap on the install button, then Fall Guys will start downloading on your device. It will take some time, so be patient. Once the download is completed, you may see a pop-up saying, for your security, your phone is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source. Tap settings. Now toggle on the button for allow from this source. Once enabled, tap the back arrow. Then you will see a confirmation pop-up if you are sure about installing the Fall Guys application. Tap install. Once downloaded, tap open. Fall Guys application will launch. Then you will see a pop-up asking to download 1.92 GB of additional game graphics and resources. Tap OK to start downloading. It will take some time depending on your internet speed, so be patient. Note that background download is also available. You can use other apps till the game downloads. Once the download is completed, it will ask you to accept terms of service. Tap accept, then you will land on the login page. As of now, you can log in only with an Epic Games account. Other login methods like Google or Facebook may be added later within the app. Tap on login with Epic Games. Your default browser will open up, redirecting you to the login page. Firstly, enter your email address, then enter your password. After that, tick the checkbox for Remember Me. Finally, tap Sign In. Tap Allow. Then, a pop-up will appear asking to allow this page to open Fall Guys. Tap OK. Once you have logged into your Epic Games account, you will land on the official Fall Guys mobile game lobby. Everything is similar to the PC version, and you can now enjoy this fabulous game on your mobile device. And there you have it. You have successfully downloaded Fall Guys on your mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.